So I want to create an account class to manage things about the account. So I'm just going to go here and create create class. Say account. Yeah, put it in entity, and I'm going to say private long ID private string account number private string balance on the account, private string long, let's say user. I think I put user ID in. You know what, I'm going to switch things up a wee bit. So I'm going to go back here in the payment. So let's say payment type, and I'm going to call this payment type. So it's just to indicate if it's a deposit, transfer, or withdrawal. I'm just going to update this one and call, let's say there's somewhere else I need to call this payment type. I'm going to create that in a minute. Do this, and yeah, this one, payment type. I'm going to also say set payment type, and this is get payment type. Okay. Is that all? Yeah. No, make this payment type. Now I'm going to create this payment type. Create just payment type. I don't want to put it in the entity. I just call, say, domain. Okay, so let me go back and see if it's happy now. Right? Is it happy now? Okay, we still need to update this payment type. Yeah, so it's happy now. I'm just going to, you know what, I'm going to copy all of these and up to here and up to here and up to here. I'm just going to, because it's basically the same thing, just going to copy from here downwards and say, but then instead of payment, I say payment DTO. And then this one, same thing, payment DTO and payment DTO. Then this one, same thing, payment DTO and payment DTO. So the empty argument constructor, there's something called reflection, and reflection is used when the Spring is scanning the class path, so it instantiates some of these classes that are annotated. So yeah, just going to do this and say, let's see, reflection Spring Boot, and let's see what that is. For example, the Spring Framework uses reflection for creating and configuring beans. Yeah, it scans class path components and dynamically instantiates and configure beans based on annotations and XML configurations. That's basically about reflection. Now, from the payment service with the this is all I need from here for now. If I go to the account service here, I can have the user ID. So yeah, let's create source, generate getters and setters, select all, go upwards, generate fields and select all, generate, and generate deselect all and generate. Now this is my payment, this is my account class. Okay, now I'm going to create an account DTO. Likewise, it will still be the same thing. I'm just going to copy everything. Before, you know what, let's just do the toString first here. Override the toString method and then go just copy everything, and in the service, no, DTO, I'm going to create new class, say account DTO, and I'm going to paste this. So I'm calling this account DTO, account DTO, and account DTO. I'm just going to take this out, and I don't need it. Take this out. I don't need it yet. So account class is all set. Now coming back here, so I want to update the account class. I'm going to create a service for that. Yeah, because I should not be updating the account class from the payment service. So I'm going to create another class called account service. And what do I want to do? Make this an interface just to define some contracts. Say by contract I mean a set of operations that you want to carry out. And this is like standard flow. So I can say update void update account balance, and I can leave this for now. We can adjust it later. I'm going to create, still in the service class, I'm going to create now I'm going to create the implementation of the account service implementation, and I'm going to say implements account service. Now let us override that class, that method here. So quickly, just for us to demo this, for us to be able to see this, I would need to create like a placeholder, a list of accounts. Yeah, come here quickly. Let's say void create account and void. So let's say get account balance. So let us say we want to carry out all of these operations. So we go to the implementation of this service and add on implemented methods. Just in my head, I like to keep things organized. So I'm going to put this here. Now in the create account class, let us create a list. Let's say private list of accounts, account list, account list equals new array list, and we say account. Oh, I made a mistake there. Go here, clean this off. Yeah, so if you mouse over it, basically it brings this up. So if you're wondering. Okay, so now in the, I'm going to say account, I'm going to add to this list, account list dot add new account. Just to make this quick, I'm just going to say 1L, that's one long balance. Let's say 2024-01. Mistake there. The account balance can be, it's a double. We need to make that a double because money is double, right? So say double, and then this is double. Okay, yeah, and in the payment DTO, just say double, double, and this is double, and this is double. Okay, so now it's happy. We can close this. And so I'm going to say, let's say 49.50. Let's say 49.5. And the user ID can be, let's say 7L. Yeah, let's see. You know what? I'm just going to copy this so I can see what I'm doing. So I don't have to be coming back and forth. Save this just to see what I'm doing. The ID 1L, the account number. Oh, this is still a string. The account balance. Oh, I just updated the payment one. The account balance is also a double. Where else? Okay, double is double. Okay, so come here. Let's see, is it happy now? Okay, now it's happy. Good. So here I'm going to create just two. Just create two, and then we say this is 2L, and this is 03, and let's say 0. Let's say 0, 0.0. And let's assume that it's the same user. So I'm going to create a constructor, public, and then here, once this start, I just want to create account, right? So yeah, so it's going to do this for me when this class is called now. So let's go here, payment service. So let us auto wire this. Auto wired private. Make this a small letter and resolve this. Okay, now we can, oh, this is not happy now, so say get DTO of DTO dot get payment type. Yeah, get payment type. Set payment type.